Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection type, Bluetooth 2, 4 GHz dongle or USB. Put the keyboard remote into pairing mode, hold the dedicated button until the LED flashes. On the Android box, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on, make sure the box is discoverable. If using a dongle, plug it into a spare USB port and skip pairing. Once done, keep devices close and avoid interference from other wireless gadgets to speed up discovery. You now initiate the actual pairing. In Settings, choose Bluetooth, scan, and tap the keyboard remote name to pair. If using a 4 GHz dongle, Android should auto-recognize it. Check connected devices if not. For wired USB keyboards, plug in and open Input Settings to confirm layout. Once paired, set the proper keyboard language and layout so keys match. If some buttons don't act as expected, make sure to install a reliable key mapping app and map missing functions carefully. You finish by testing typing, navigation, and media keys in several apps to confirm behavior. Make small adjustments in input settings like key repeat rate or layout if characters are wrong. If the remote has programmable buttons, assign functions now. Once everything works, reboot the box to cement settings. If something goes wrong, unpair and repair, try another USB port or replace batteries, and if persistent, update the Android box firmware or the keyboard remote firmware as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.